Hi everyone, happy Friday. It is Friday afternoon and I was just going to open up the discussion boards for the week and I wanted to go over with you what's going on. So I should have, I think I've connected with everyone. We did have a new person join our group. Hi Adriana, it's nice to meet you. Everyone, I'm going to open up the introduction board so that she can introduce herself to everyone. Adriana, you can catch up in the next week. Um, so, as most of you know, I'm in the middle of observing you. I still have to set up an observation with Cassidy. I know she just started with her 4K room, and with Alicia is going to be starting at New Morning. So those two do not have observation dates, but Adriana, I set up a date for you, and Morgan, I'm going to see you on Monday. I'm looking forward to it. This week, if you go into the discussions, you will see that there is a discussion board, and this week it's going to be about gunplay. Hopefully, I think you'll find it a little controversial, possibly interesting, not sure. So what your job is to do is to read the article. So the article, I have the link here, but I also embedded it over in a tab that I created called Articles and Links. So if you go into that tab, you can go right to that article. That discussion board has got some questions in it. Please think of anything, you can be honest. It's not going to hurt my feelings if you don't agree with me. In fact, it would be great for a conversation if you give me your side. So there's that one, and then there's also your chat room. And in this week, I kind of explained again, it's your turn to catch up with me and everyone else in the group. So if you want to ask questions, if there's things you're interested in, other people's opinion, if there's an activity, you're going to be doing an activity, you need some feedback and some ideas, this is the place to do that. Make sure that you're communicating with your peers. If you have nothing going on, remember it's a confidential space, so you're welcome to make sometimes if you're really struggling with a kiddo, it's really a great place to say, hey, this kid. Has anyone had any experiences with children like this? And if something that's worked, or families, or staff, or anything like that. Also, if you have any great things that you want to celebrate, activities that went well, anything, this is a good place to do that. If you're desperate, you can always talk about personal stories about gunplay. We're referring back to the article, things that you've seen in your classroom and stuff like that. So those are the two things, and then over in the column, you'll also see that there's a journal due on Sunday, next Sunday. The journal, remember, journals are your way of communicating with me because you don't see me in a discussion group, and I don't see you except for when I'm observing. It's really important for you to let me know what's going on, so that when I go into your classroom to observe you, that I kind of know who the players are and what's going on, things that you're struggling with, things that you want advice on. Remember, I'm there to help you and support you, not to criticize or to judge your teaching. I'm there just to help you succeed or make your classroom and teaching practice better. Those who have not been to classroom, you can see I'm sitting by the window. This is looking out the window. You should drop by and see it. It's pretty nice. Everyone have a fantastic week. Remember, those are due on Sunday at midnight. I'll talk to you next week.